Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to remove page colors in Microsoft Word document. So guys, if you are looking, your pages are in different color in Microsoft Word, and guys, you want to remove and delete this color. So click on this design tab, then page color, and just you have to select no color. So in two steps you can remove colors in your Microsoft Word pages. Now we can see every page has no color. So thanks for watching guys. Share, like and subscribe this channel.